Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of delightful flavors with a spotlight on the best pumpkin skinny syrup sugar-free available in the market. Whether you're a fan of seasonal treats or simply love adding a touch of sweetness to your everyday beverages, this product promises to elevate your taste buds without the guilt. This sugar-free pumpkin skinny syrup is not just any syrup. It's a game-changer for your favorite drinks and treats. Perfectly crafted to deliver that classic pumpkin spice flavor, it allows you to indulge in the essence of autumn all year round. It's designed to blend seamlessly into a variety of beverages, from lattes to cocktails, ensuring each sip is rich with pumpkin goodness. Imagine starting your day with a velvety pumpkin spice latte, or impressing guests with pumpkin-flavored desserts that are both delicious and sugar-free. This syrup opens up endless possibilities for creating cafe-worthy drinks and culinary delights in the comfort of your home. Close your eyes and picture the aroma of freshly baked pumpkin pie lingering in the air as you prepare your favorite drink. With each pour of this syrup, you're not just adding flavor. You're enhancing the sensory experience of every beverage, making it a true treat for your taste buds. Whether you're a seasoned pumpkin enthusiast or someone looking to spice up their daily routine, this best pumpkin skinny syrup sugar-free is a must-have addition to your pantry. Stay tuned as we explore more exciting products and remember to subscribe for more honest reviews and delightful discoveries here on Product Critique. That wraps up today's review. If you're ready to elevate your drinks with the irresistible taste of pumpkin spice, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on your favorite pumpkin-inspired creation. Until next time, happy sipping!